What are those?
Is this you? Are you tired of being laughed at for your unkempt laces? Well, today I'm gonna give you multiple solutions on how to tie them. Nobody wants that floppy look to their shoes. So today I'm gonna give you a clean and simple way to tie them, the no tie. We're gonna start off with the no tie today. First, you're gonna wanna loosen the strings on the base of the shoe. After that, you're gonna wanna make sure they're equal all the way through. You're gonna wanna make sure the laces are popping very little out the eyelet. And that's all you're gonna need to know for the no tie. The next lace we're gonna show you is the easy tie. You wanna start off with a cross lace. After that, you're gonna wanna use one end of your hand to make a bunny loop. The other end, you're gonna wanna keep it straight. You're gonna wanna wrap it around and pull it through with this hand. And now you have the easy lace. You'll be walking around with plenty of flair to show off. Now for the lace that nobody wants to undo when they first get their shoes, the factory lace. It may seem complicated, but it only takes a few steps. First, you're gonna wanna start off with these two fingers, and you're gonna wanna pinch the bottom of the laces, making sure to stretch them out and make sure they're equal. You're gonna wanna come around, making a bunny loop, come across it again so that there's two strings going across it, and you wanna pull it through like that. When you do that, you're gonna wanna keep pulling it back and forth until you get it tight. Once you have it tight, you're gonna have a factory lace that's making your shoes look new and clean.
Bro, those are clean.